Tina here once again from ShortMeTina.com with my daily recap. Today's Monday, so happy Monday. Hopefully you are refreshed and you enjoyed your 2, 3, or 4, 5-day weekend. So again, in the spirit of keeping these videos under 5 minutes, I'm gonna go really fast, so bear with me. Before we jump into a recap of ticker HTZ, I want to say thank you so much for being here. Do me a solid, thumbs up this video, comment in the comment section. Again, it helps to get this video out to other traders just like yourself that's looking for a bit of information. And take note, not sure yet, but I feel like I might need a few days off to just sort of like recenter myself. So if you don't see a video tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, everything is perfectly fine. ShortMeTina or Tina is just sort of recalibrating. I'm always looking at the markets behind the scene, but again, I may just take a few days off. All right. Anyway, so let's jump into a recap of ticker HTZ. It's off about 2.45% on the day. We closed at 319. In the spirit of being transparent, full disclaimer, full disclosure, this is actually a trade that we took in the premium member community. Almost immediately, we saw a profit when we actually entered this trade on the long side. Again, I'm not gonna bother you with little details in terms of our exact buy point, but in my opinion, we got in at a good entry, and I still see, and hence why I'm bringing it to you, I still see more upside in ticker HTZ. All right, so this is a daily chart going back to around February of 2020, so it's about a 3 or 4 month chart. You can see here, obviously, the stock has been in a decline, and I've stated numerous times before, the path of least resistance is the best for you. I say that to say, it does not make sense to, right, if you're new, it does not make sense to long a stock that's in a downtrend. However, if you can get, right, if you can actually jump into that stock when it's about to change course or reverse trend, the upside potential is just enormous, and I think that's what's setting up right now in ticker HTZ. Again, although we closed at 319, if we look at the past 4 or 5 trading days, I think we're seeing a bottom here. And what's the next stop? I think the next stop, at minimum for ticker HTZ, it's around $4. So from an ending quote of 319, in my opinion, there's still potential about 80 cents to $1 per share at minimum here to make. Honestly, with a resurgence of this bull market, I can see ticker HTZ trading around 6, which is around a double from here. So put it on your radar, put it on your watch list. I like what I'm seeing right here in terms of price action. Again, I do understand that it's been in a downtrend for a very long time, but I think it's bottoming, and I think that it's about to reverse course. And if you can actually catch that trade at that intersection, again, the upside is enormous. So put ticker HTZ on your radar, put it on your watch list. What else? All right, so we're going to cap it with ticker MARK, up a whopping 72% on the day. So huge congrats to the bulls. It's slightly up in after hours, or a little over 1%. I see a quote of 181, but a regular session, we closed at 179. I'm going to speed it up because I took about 3 minutes to talk about HTZ. But in talking about HTZ, right, this is a daily chart, ticker MARK, going back to March of 2019, so a little over a year. And so remember what I said. So granted, this stock also too has been in a downtrend. However, if you're able to catch that trade, right, when it's about to reverse trend, the upside can be enormous. I think sort of ticker MARK highlights that. If you just go back to April, providing this is not a reverse splitter of any sorts, if you go back to April, the stock was trading around 30-something cents. And with today's high of today of 195, that's an increase of around 300 or 400%. Again, if you can catch that trade when it's about to reverse course. And again, I'm seeing that with ticker HTZ. It happened in ticker MARK. So what do I see is the run over for this stock? Well, we closed relatively decently. So I think we closed again at 179, up to 181, and after hours the high of the day is 195, so we close relatively close to session highs. Obviously you want to pay attention to how the stock opens up tomorrow. I talk about this a lot. So if we can open up above 179, more than likely we're going to retest at minimum today's high of 195, and if we can get past that, I can see 250s in the card. So if you're on the sidelines or long and wondering whether or not there's more for ticker MARK, I'd really be zeroing in on how the stock actually opens up tomorrow. If we can sustain an open of 179 to 180, that bodes well. But again, we have to sustain that. If we dip, that's no problem. We just have to get back above that 180 mark. And if we can do that, I think it's on its way, all right? Hope that makes sense. We're going to cap it there. Tina here, once again from ShortMeTina.com. If you enjoyed any portion of that video, I'd like you to do 3 things for me. 1, comment in the comment section. Again, thumbs up. What do you think about ticker MARK? Are you in it? What about ticker HTZ? Are you seeing what I'm seeing in terms of a reversal? Again, comment in the comment section. 2, I do videos every single day, except when I am trying to recenter myself or except when there is a holiday. But for the most part, Monday through Friday, if the stock market is open, you can expect a video. So ensure that you're subscribed at our YouTube channel at ShortMeTina. We're on our way to 2,000. We should be there, I want to say, within the next few weeks, all right? And lastly, the third thing I want you to do, if you enjoyed this video and you find that you're struggling in the stock market, what we're doing right now on our website is hosting a free 14-day trading course, completely free, no credit card required, just an email address. Essentially, this 14-day free trading course essentially goes over a lot of the things that I've learned trading the stock market for north of 20 years. It's a long time. So if you think you can derive any value from that, definitely head on over to our website, ShortMeTina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support. I may or may not talk to you tomorrow, but if not, again, ensure that you're subscribed so when I upload that video, you'll be notified. Stay safe. Talk to you soon. Bye.